Samantala, sa mga nanonood dyan na nagkaroon ng weak signal, heto na po ang instructions kung paano mag-riska ng digital TV, panoorin niyo po ito.
How to rescan your digital TV. Instructions: hanapin ang auto scan button sa inyong remote control. Kapag wala namang auto scan button sa inyong remote control, pumunta lamang sa settings at hanapin ang auto search. At hintayin lamang matapos ang pag-rescan. Then hanapin ang Channel 12 TV and enjoy your watching. For more inquiries, telephone number 188-2255-27238, 096-463-27238, and for more instructions, visit www.channel12network.com/howtorescandigital.
Samantala sa iba pang balita, magkakaroon po tayo ng inspection mula sa Channel 12 compound para siguraduhin na kung tapos na ba o hindi. Sa katunayan, ayon sa Infrastructure and Roadways Incorporated ay naglabas na ng memorandum kaugnay sa pagpaparehabilitasyon sa DZLS-TV compound simula May 30. At live mula sa Channel 12 Broadcasting Center na si Zombified Tiglin. Tiglin, ipakita sa amin kung anong ginagawa sa ilalim nito at maging sa main venue o di kaya'y ang control room nito.
Yes, Wither, patuloy pa rin ang pag-i-inspection sa Channel 12 compound. Live na live po yan dyan sa main compound ngayong umaga. Nakikita natin sa video ang pag-i-inspection at nakuha po yan sa camera natin. Sa katunayan nito, ang news center nito ay hindi pa natatapos. Ayan na po, nakapasok na po ang ating cameraman para mag-inspection at dito sa loob ng control room. Wala pa itong kinakabit na ilaw at sa katunayan rin, sa May 30 pa ang pagsisimula sa konstruksyon. At dito naman sa main venue, konti na lang sa may bubong at wala pa itong kinakabit na ilaw. At yan ang latest mula sa compound. Balik sa'yo, Wither.
Tiglin, sa underground, na-inspeksyonan na ba? Maraming salamat po, Zombified Piglin.
This is an unlucky clip, and the island spawns are very unsafe.
Let's go in!
I got hit into it.
I feel like that.
This is a really unlucky clip.
What the just happened to my pearl? What happened to my pearl?
This is an extremely unlucky clip.
Conveniently have enough blocks to do that.
Surprise, mother.
Oh my god! Wait!
He has no flint and steel. And the clips get crazier as the video goes on till we get to the best clips of the video. His friend actually bought the zombie into daylight.
Ow. Oh, jeez. No. Okay, well, there goes the he's done on it. No, don't put him down there. Don't we doing? No, no.
I don't know how to move him. I don't know how to move him. Get him in!
During his speed run, his mouse broke.
My mouse is broken! Oh, I'm
She has a pet snow golem, but
Is he gonna be able to get out either way? Is he gonna be able to get out? Where'd he go?
Hello there.
What the heck?
Bro managed to clutch, but
Oh my god, I'm out of pearls. The fire! Why the fire? The fire wants the boat.
he's level 262.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
artillery run.
Bro really wants a snow golem.
What? Dude, I'm starting to get off.
He was a centimeter away from succeeding.
Okay.
Jump, jump, jump.
Pag ang tama, mali. Kumigewang, kumukuhit sa lalamunan. Di tulad ng Red Horse Beer, di kailangan ng halo. Suabe, dito ka na sa tamang astig. Lakas ng astig, sarap ng astig. Lakas ng tama, pero di wasak. Huwag magpahuli, balik-balikan ang tapang na may pagmamayabang. Red Horse, extra strong, the #1 beer, ito ang tama.
MX3 capsule helps avoid pain discomfort, iwas-iwas sa sakit, MX3 para M-Extraordinary. Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin paggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.